13 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. 1. Learn AI tools. If there's one skill that can completely change the way you work and learn in the coming years, it's understanding AI. Instead of spending hours scrolling through social media, spend that time learning tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney. AI can help you solve problems faster, save time, generate ideas, and improve almost any skill you're trying to learn. The people who understand AI today will have a huge advantage tomorrow. 2. Start strength training. Lifting weights isn't only about building muscle, it's about building discipline. Every workout teaches you to keep going, even when you don't feel motivated. You become mentally stronger, physically healthier, and more confident because you're proving to yourself that you can stay consistent. 3. Read biographies instead of endless content. Every successful person has already made mistakes that you can learn from. Reading biographies gives you access to decades of experience, lessons, failures, and decisions that would normally take years to discover on your own. 4. Learn to play chess. Chess forces you to think ahead, stay patient, and make smarter decisions under pressure. It teaches you that every move has consequences, and over time that way of thinking begins to carry over into real life. 5. Try a combat sport like boxing, wrestling, or jiu-jitsu. These sports teach much more than self-defense. They teach self-control, resilience, emotional discipline, and the ability to stay calm when life becomes uncomfortable. 6. Make writing a daily habit. Writing helps organize your thoughts, improves communication, and exposes weak ideas before they become bad decisions. If you can't explain something clearly on paper, you probably don't understand it well enough yet. 7. Spend more time in nature. Go hiking, take long walks, watch a sunrise, or simply sit somewhere quiet without your phone. Nature helps reduce mental noise, clears your mind, and reminds you that not everything needs to move at the speed of social media. 8. Teach what you learn. One of the fastest ways to master any skill is by explaining it to someone else. Teaching forces you to simplify ideas, identify what you truly understand, and fill the gaps in your knowledge. 9. Learn negotiation. Whether you're asking for a higher salary, closing a business deal, or simply communicating with people, negotiation is one of the most valuable life skills you can develop. The better you become at creating value and communicating it, the more opportunities you'll attract. 10. Practice public speaking. Clear communication can open doors in every area of life. It builds confidence, helps you influence others, and allows your ideas to be heard instead of ignored. 11. Develop critical thinking. Most people consume information without questioning it. Learning how to think logically, analyze problems, and make independent decisions gives you an advantage in a world full of distractions, opinions, and misinformation. 12. Learn video editing. Attention is one of the most valuable currencies on the internet, and video editors are the people who shape it. Whether you want to become a creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, video editing is a skill that continues to grow in demand every year. 13. Build something online. Start a YouTube channel, create a personal brand, launch a website, or build a small online business. Stop spending all your time consuming other people's work and start creating something that's yours. You don't need to master all 13 hobbies. Just choose 2 or 3 that genuinely excite you and commit to them consistently. Your future won't change because you watched another motivational video. It will change because you finally decided to spend your time building instead of scrolling. If this video inspired you, comment "I'm done scrolling" below. And if you want more videos on discipline, productivity, and self-improvement, subscribe to Inspire Sense and start building the future you actually want.